The next verb that we're going to learn is the verb lavo in Hebrew. The verb lavo means to come. So this is a more immediate action that we do rather than leagia. Leagia is actually a more of a travel, is more of an arrival or travel verb than lavo. Lavo is something that is more immediate. So nevertheless, let's see how do we conjugate the verb lavo in the present tense. The verb lavo, 4 conjugations, masculine singular. Ani ba. Ata ba, hu ba. Feminine singular. Ani ba'a, at ba'a, hi ba'a. Masculine plural. Anachnu ba'im, atem ba'im, hem ba'im. Feminine plural. Anachnu ba'ot, aten ba'ot, hen ba'ot. Ba, ba'a, ba'im, ba'ot. Write down this verb in your notebooks. Pause the video. And now let's start exercising with this verb. Once again, you see a sentence in English, don't forget to pause the video and say it out loud in Hebrew. And then play the video and see if you get it right. If you didn't, you know the drill, write it down in your notebook. Where are you coming from? מאיפה אתה בא? I'm coming from home. אני בא מהבית. Where are you coming from? מאיפה את באה? I'm coming from work. אני באה מהעבודה. Where are you guys coming from? מאיפה אתם באים? We're coming from the supermarket. אנחנו באים מהסופר. Where are you girls coming from? מאיפה אתן באות? We're coming from the mall. אנחנו באות מהקניון. Excellent, so now let's refresh our memories and see how do we conjugate the verb letset in Hebrew, the verb to come out or to exit. We already know this verb, but let's refresh our memories. Letset, present tense, 4 conjugations. אני יוצא, אתה יוצא, הוא יוצא. אני יוצאת, את יוצאת, היא יוצאת. אנחנו יוצאים, אתם יוצאים, הם יוצאים. אנחנו יוצאות, אתן יוצאות, הן יוצאות. If you don't have it in your notebooks already, so pause the video and write it down in your notebooks. Excellent. The verb לצאת, יוצא, יוצאת, יוצאים, יוצאות. And now let's exercise with that one as well. Where are you coming out from? מאיפה אתה יוצא? I'm coming out from home. אני יוצא מהבית. Where are you coming out from? מאיפה את יוצאת? I'm coming out from the mall. אני יוצאת מהקניון. Where are you guys coming out from? מאיפה אתם יוצאים? We're coming out from work. אנחנו יוצאים מהעבודה. Where are you girls coming out from? מאיפה אתן יוצאות? We're coming out from the supermarket. אנחנו יוצאות מהסופר. Excellent work, guys. So I hope that you got everything right. If you didn't, obviously you can rewatch the video until you'll be able to get all of those sentences on your first try. If there are some particular sentences that you didn't get right, I hope you wrote it down in your notebook. And that's it for this lecture. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.